Students, let's continue our lesson 3, the art of forgiveness. Once Buddha was abused by a passerby and he responded by staying quiet. One of his disciples was horrified and asked Buddha's permission to retaliate. Buddha was undisturbed and said, "You can only give back something that you may have taken." I want to repeat this line. You can only give back something that you may have taken. It is the other man's right to give, but its acceptance depends on you. People give both nectar and poison. You are at liberty to accept the nectar and refuse the poison. So in this story, once Buddha was abused by a passerby. Passerby means a traveler, and he doesn't react upon it. Once Buddha was abused by a passerby, and passerby means a traveler, okay? But he didn't react upon it. Whereas he responded by staying calm. On looking Buddha's this reaction, one of his disciple means a student, asked to take revenge. But in a calm and quiet tone, Buddha answered that we may only give something back that we may have taken. That means it totally depends upon us whether we want to accept the bad words or not. In this world, there are people who give both the things like nectar and poison. There are so many types of people, and they give you the both the nectar and the poison. But my dear students, it's totally depend upon you whether you want to take the nectar or you want to take the poison from the world. We should accept nectar and refuse the poison. When we are hurt or offended by another, spend a few moments in silent reflection and conclude that the other person has acted perhaps in ignorance or has acted unintentionally. Soon our feeling may subside. This paragraph, we have to try this paragraph in our own life also. The above lines clearly says that when we are hurt by another person, okay, so we should not retaliate against him, whereas we should sit in a silent reflection and think about the bad consequence that may occur if we retaliate the person. And also, we should learn the art of forgiveness. We should always think and conclude that the mistake done by the person was maybe in the ignorance or has acted unintentionally. By doing this, we will have a calm mind. So, we have to learn the art of forgiveness, because if we learn the art of forgiveness or to forgive the other people, our mind will be calm every time. So, that's all for today. Thank you.